Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Chevy GMC's 2001 to 2010 Silverado and Sierra 2500 HD. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Our part features a perforated plate on the front of your frame section to fit over your existing middle cab mount. If you plan to keep your cab mount, remove the plate at this time. If not, remove your cab mount. Cut out the rivets retaining the parking brake cable's bracket. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Slide your center frame section onto the frame and tap it into place using a hammer. Use the frame holes to help with the alignment. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your center frame section into place before welding it on fully. If you removed your middle cab mount, we show you how to reinstall it using the installation video on our YouTube channel. Then, with the included hardware, reinstall the parking brake cable's bracket with a 14mm socket and 15mm wrench. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray paint. Then you're done!